In the quiet of the morning light, where the sun meets the edge of night, there's a beauty in the simple things that only a heart awake can bring. And as the world begins to stir, we find our place in the symphony. Every note a whispered word of love and possibility. Oh, these are